Ever dreamed of owning your dream home? Imagine walking through the front door of a house that you can truly call your own. The spacious living room, the cozy bedrooms, and the backyard where you can host family gatherings and barbecues. It's a place where memories are made, and it's a dream that many of us share. How about driving off the lot in a brand new car? Picture yourself behind the wheel of a sleek new vehicle, the smell of fresh leather, the thrill of the open road, and the envious glances from passers-by. It's not just a mode of transportation, it's a statement of success and freedom. These dreams and many others hinge on a tiny little number, your credit score. This 3-digit number is more than just a figure. It's a reflection of your financial health and responsibility. It tells lenders and creditors how trustworthy you are when it comes to borrowing money and paying it back on time. It's your financial report card, and a good score opens doors to amazing opportunities. With a high credit score, you can secure lower interest rates on loans and mortgages, saving you thousands of dollars in the long run. It can also make it easier to rent an apartment, get a job, or even start your own business. The possibilities are endless when you have good credit. A low score? Well, it can make life a whole lot harder. High interest rates, loan rejections, and limited financial options can become a constant source of stress and frustration. It can feel like you're stuck in a never-ending cycle of debt and financial insecurity. But the good news is, it's never too late to improve your credit score. With the right strategies and a bit of patience, you can turn your financial situation around and pave the way for a brighter future. Think of your credit score as a 3-digit number that tells lenders how risky it is to loan you money. This number, typically ranging from 300 to 850, is a snapshot of your financial health. It's like a report card for your borrowing habits. The higher the score, the better you look to potential lenders. But what exactly goes into this number, and why does it matter so much? A high score says, "Hey, I'm responsible." It indicates that you have a history of managing your debts well. This means you pay your bills on time, you don't max out your credit cards, and you don't have a lot of outstanding debt. Lenders see you as a low-risk borrower, which can open up a lot of financial opportunities for you. I pay my bills on time. Lenders love that. When you consistently pay your bills by their due dates, it shows that you are reliable and can be trusted to repay what you owe. This reliability is crucial because it reduces the lender's risk. They feel more confident that you will pay back the money they lend you, which can lead to better loan terms and lower interest rates. A low score sends up red flags, making it tougher to get loans, rent an apartment, or even land certain jobs. A low credit score can be a result of missed payments, high levels of debt, or even errors on your credit report. It signals to lenders that you might be a risky borrower. This can lead to higher interest rates, less favorable loan terms, or even outright denial of credit. It can also affect your ability to rent a home, as landlords often check credit scores to assess the reliability of potential tenants. In some cases, employers might also check your credit score as part of the hiring process, especially for jobs that require financial responsibility. So maintaining a good credit score is not just about getting loans, it's about having access to various opportunities and financial benefits. Several factors contribute to your credit score. Your payment history, or how consistently you pay bills on time, holds the most weight. The amount of debt you owe matters too. A long and positive credit history also boosts your score, so starting early is key. The good news is, you have the power to improve your credit score. It takes time and effort, but the rewards are well worth it. Let's break down the steps to building excellent credit. Section 5. The Golden Rule. Paying your bills on time every time. This one's a no-brainer. Set reminders, use autopay, do whatever it takes to never miss a payment. Even one late payment can ding your score. Remember, consistency is key. Section 6. Taming the Debt Monster. Strategies for debt reduction. High credit card balances can drag down your score. Create a budget, track your spending, and start chipping away at your debt. Even small payments add up over time. Section 7. The Credit Report. Your financial mirror. Your credit report details your credit history. Request a free copy from each of the 3 major credit bureaus, Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion, annually. Review them carefully for errors and dispute any inaccuracies. Section 8. Credit score sabotage. Common pitfalls to avoid. Closing old credit cards seems like a good idea, but it can shorten your credit history and hurt your score. Avoid opening too many new credit accounts in a short period, as this can signal financial instability. Section 9. Patience is a virtue. Building credit takes time. Building good credit doesn't happen overnight. It requires patience and persistence. Stay focused on your goals, and you'll see your score steadily climb. Section 10. Your credit, your power. Take control and thrive. In this section, we will delve into the importance of your credit score and how it can significantly impact your financial well-being. Your credit score is a powerful tool. It is more than just a number. It is a reflection of your financial health and responsibility. By understanding how it works and taking steps to improve it, you can open doors to better interest rates, higher credit limits, and more favorable loan terms. You unlock a world of financial freedom and opportunity. Imagine being able to secure a mortgage for your dream home, or getting approved for a loan to start your own business. Remember, you are in control. Your credit score is not set in stone. It can be improved with consistent effort and smart financial decisions. Take charge of your credit by regularly checking your credit report, disputing any inaccuracies, and making timely payments. And watch your dreams become reality. Whether it's buying a new car, traveling the world, or simply having peace of mind, a good credit score can make it all possible. Start by paying down high-interest debt, keeping your credit card balances low, and avoiding new credit inquiries. Create a budget to manage your expenses and ensure you are living within your means. If needed, seek professional advice from a financial advisor to help you create a plan tailored to your specific needs and goals. Celebrate your financial milestones along the way, no matter how small they may seem. Each step forward is a step towards financial empowerment. Long-term financial success is within your reach. By taking control of your credit, you are taking control of your future. Feel empowered and confident in your financial journey. You have the power to shape your financial destiny, achieve your financial goals, and thrive. Your credit, your power. Take control and thrive.